Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of me building my Chrome extension to 1K MRR. And so yeah, today wasn't the most productive day for me, and honestly because of that, I was hesitant to make this video. As in fact going to skip day 2 and make it tomorrow or something. But you know what? I thought I should be honest with myself and to my non-existent audience. So here I am making this video. Because honestly today like I had a very short work day because I woke up late, and even during my work hours I did procrastinate quite a bit. I spent a lot of time on X. I was being the reply guy, and cross posting my my day one tweet into other communities, and reading a bunch of stuff on X and replying to stuff and all that, which you could argue it's me being productive in terms of building my distribution and all that. But I don't know, I feel like that's a cop out answer. Because like because I wasn't being productive in terms of building my product, right? So yeah, that said, I did make some progress with my extension, mainly with the UI and the steps going forward. That's where I made progress. In terms of UI, in my day one video, like yesterday's video, I told you guys about how I redesigned the UI, right? But yeah, so what I did was I also told you I'm deleting the redesign, and I'm starting over, right? And I did start over. So I completed the redesign. I completed the other UI. Basically, I have three UIs. UI version 1, that's the rawest UI ever. That does not work even for an MVP. So I decided to use V0 to make UI version 2. Did not like it, even though I liked it earlier. So I deleted that, and it was a mess injecting it into my code base for my extension. So I deleted the whole thing, and now I designed a new fresh UI version 3 from scratch in Figma. And I didn't use Figma Make, no AI tools, nothing, just my hands. Just my hands. And I like it. I like it a lot. Not my hands. I like the UI a lot. It's got very beautiful rounded corners. The fonts could be better, and so could the icons. But I like it overall. It follows ChatGPT's theme pretty nicely, and now I just have to develop it, for which I'm going to use Claude. So yeah, and that's one area where I made progress, and the other areas where with regards to prompting. So what I have been doing was, I have not been really focused, like not really been focused on prompting well. Like I've been giving Claude enough context, but I never really cared about writing my prompts well. So what I discovered was, like, so in Claude Pro, that there's a project section, and in project section today I noticed there's a section called how to use Claude, a chat called how to use Claude, and in which it had a MD file, a read, I guess a document file or something, where it teaches you how to write a good prompt for Claude. So I followed the steps. I opened that chat and I told that chat, yo, how do I do this? I'm so and so, I'm building so and so. So what kind of prompting should I do? And it gave me a bunch of instructions, and I used my prompt. I created the prompt, and I also had a different chat open in the projects folder for just my extension. So in that folder for my extension, I have other chats. So in that folder, I created a new chat. In that project, in my extensions folder in Claude, I created a new chat, and I used that new prompt which I developed. And man, it there is a night and day difference when you prompt things correctly, because it helped me understand. Because my goal right now, it's not to, like, the goal is to ship fast, right? Ship fast, but ship well too. Like, I don't want to ship something subpar, right? It should be a good product, right? And this prompt, it gave me direction, because what happened was, earlier when I was working on UI version 2, I was like, Claude basically told me I have to, not have to, but I need to refactor my code, and split my content JS into script.js into like different JavaScript files, split the UI and the core logic and all that. But when I prompted it right, Claude was like, "Nah, bro, you don't need to do that. Just focus on implementing the UI first, and do the refactoring later." And it analyzed my code base so far, it actually said my code base is actually pretty well structured, pretty well organized, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing. So that's good, because honestly, I was kind of confused what to do, like how to go forward, because I was confused if I should refactor it now, break up the script file into different file, into a UI file and a script file, and then connect them both, and then develop my design and implement it, which would mean I would drag out the product development for much longer. But this new strat, which Claude told me, is much better, so I'm going to do that. So day 3, I will be developing my new UI version 3 Figma design, and injecting it into my extension. So yeah, excited about that. Yeah, so that's about it, to be honest. I was actually hoping I would do all that today, but I did not. That's on me. I fucked up. I shouldn't have, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's about it. So I guess I will see you guys on day 3. Oh fuck. I mean day 3. So yeah. Yeah. See ya.